Welcome to the Autocad module. Today let us draw this figure. So I'll begin by drawing two cycles. First cycle has a diameter of 6 mm. Therefore I'll select the center diameter option. And from this center point, I'll type in 6 and press enter. The second cycle has a diameter of 24 mm. Therefore, again from this same center point, I'll type in 24 and press enter. Then I'll now draw two lines through the common center point. One line is vertical and the other line is horizontal. So I'll select the line command. I'll start by drawing the vertical line. Again I'll select the line command and I will draw the horizontal line. Now offset the horizontal line by a distance of 54 mm upward. So I'll select the offset command. Then I'll type 54 and press enter. Then I'll select this line here and offset it upward. Then press enter. So now let me increase the length of this line here. Then I'll join these two lines, this one and this one. And then I'll also offset this line here by a distance of 24 mm upward. So I'll select the offset command again. And then I'll type in 24 to press enter. Then I'll select this line here and offset it upward. Press enter again. Now at the first intersection point, draw a circle of 42 mm radius. This point here. So I'll select the center radius option. Then from this point, I'll type in 42 to press enter. And on the second intersection point, draw a circle of 18 mm radius. So again I'll select the center radius option and from this point I'll type in 18 to press enter. Now you have to offset the vertical line to the right by a distance of 9.4 mm. Therefore select the offset command. Then I'll type in 9.4 and press enter. Then I'll select this vertical line here and offset it to the right. Press enter again. Again, you have to offset this line here, offset it by a distance of 9.4 upward. So I'll select the offset command. Then I'll type in 9.4 to press enter. After that, I'll select this line here and offset it upward. Press enter again. Now on this intersection point here, you have to draw a circle of 30 mm radius. So I'll select the center radius option. Then from this point here, I'll type in 30 and press enter. Now let us erase all these lines. So I'll begin by selecting these lines. Now let us draw the side lines between this small circle here and this one. So I'll select the line command. Then from this point here, well, as you can see, the center option gets into my way, so I will turn it off for a while. And this time I'll select this point here and this point. Press enter. Again I'll have to draw another line from the tangent of this circle here up to the tangent of this circle. So select the line command. Then I'll select the first point to be here and the second point has to be on the tangent of this circle. To that, press enter. Now let us trim and erase all the parts that we don't need. So I'll select the trim command to press enter. Now I will erase this one. And I'll also trim these two. Now let us join all the parts of this figure here to make them one complete part. Therefore I'll select all these parts, then I'll select the join command. Now let us apply the polar array command to this figure here. So I'll select the polar array, then I'll select this figure here and press enter. After that I'll select this point here. Let me turn on the center snap option. Then I'll select the center of this small circle. After that I'll change the value of the item count from 6 to 4. So I'll type in 4 and press enter. Then I'll close the array. As you can see, we are done.